Multiplication by 10, Part 1. Let's study. Below, we have two groups of 10 dots each. Here's the first group of 10, and there's the second group of 10. We know that 10 plus 10 gives 20. So in multiplication form, two groups of 10, we write as 2 times 10, and the answer is 20. The other way around, 10 groups of 2 just means that we would look at it from the bottom. There's the first group of 2, the second group, the third group, etc., all the way to the 10th group of 2. And we have the same total number of dots, which is 20. So 10 groups of 2 is 10 times 2, which is 20. For B, 20 is how many times bigger than 2? Now, 10 groups of 2 give 20. This means that 20 is 10 times bigger than 2, because 10 times 2 is 20. Let's move on to number 2. Now we have 3 groups of 10 dots. There's the first group, second group, and the third group of 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives 30. So, now 3 groups of 10, or 3 times 10, in multiplication form is 30. Or 10 groups of 3 will also give 30, because two numbers can be multiplied in any order. For B, 30 is how many times bigger than 3? Now 3 times 10 gives 30, so 30 is 10 times bigger than 3. Number 3. Let's fill in the following answers. Now 4 times 10 is equal to 40, becomes 10 times bigger, and 10 times 4 is also 40. For B, 6 tens or 6 times 10 is 60, and 10 times 6 is also 60. For C, the answer there is 70, and there it's also 70. Lastly, D, 9 times 10 gives 90, it's 9 tens. 10 times 9 is also 90. It's very important to know that multiplying a number by 10 makes it 10 times bigger. 90 is 10 times bigger than 9. 40 is also 10 times bigger than 4. So for question 4, we must mark true or false. 4 times 10 means the same as 4 plus 0. Now, even though a 0 comes at the end of each one of these numbers once we've multiplied by 10, we know that 4 times 10 gives 40. But 4 plus 0, when we add 0 to a number, it does not change the value of the number. 4 plus 0 stays 4. So 4 times 10 does not simply mean the same as adding 0 to 4. This is false. 4 times 10 means that we make the number 10 times bigger to get 40.